At Stuttgart University, the Institute of Plasma Research with its Plasma Technology division carries out research in low-temperature plasmas. Plasma can change surfaces of all kinds of materials and thus also changes their properties. It's all about high-tech cleaning in different areas and in various ways, and always using plasma. Cooperation between the Institute and Steinbeis Europazentrum started in 2004, when the Institute was looking for a research cooperation partner. Since then, Steinbeis has passed on some 42 technology requests from 19 countries to the Institute. Cooperation between the Institute of Plasma Research and Steinbeis Europazentrum is exactly in the area of technology watch. This is where we are of course active, because we know these other disciplines. We know just where such technology is possibly sought after, and this is where we match the partners like the Institute of Plasma Research. Through the Enterprise Europe network, the EU is seeking to stimulate innovation and increase competitiveness in Europe. It's here that technology transfer is taking place at an international level. This means that via Steinbeis Europazentrum, we've been able to make contacts in order to find solutions with industry partners for their specific problems. As a result, cooperations with companies from Spain and Turkey have been launched. As one of some 500 partners in Europe, Steinbeis Europazentrum targets its services to companies, universities and research facilities. There is still a barrier, a hurdle, which prevents especially smaller companies from going to the desk drawers of researchers and finding out what's inside. And that's exactly what we're trying to communicate. With us, it's all about innovation, it's about technology, and always in a European context.